I hope you're a little more chipper than I am this morning. From crying babies to snoring husbands, I swear. Needless to say, I'm a little bit tired this morning. So we're just doing enough to sit in front of a screen. And by screen, I mean my computer because I work from home. Anyway, I was not getting anything right this morning. My coffee was a mess. I forgot the water in the coffee machine. Half tired, panic mode. But I'm going to go totally basic here. Pumpkin season. Is it just me or does anyone want to start that ahead of time? Because I get my pumpkin spice like right away. Anyway, honestly, it's not really just that. I love the cold. I love the cozy morning. I get up early, get my coffee, make some breakfast on the Blackstone, and just, have me time. We have been so busy this summer. It's so nice to finally be able to relax. And hey, keep up on dishes. Anyway, I'm done now. Gotta go. Bye.